Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple tech tutorials to customize your browser experience. Tired of Chrome constantly asking you to translate pages in different languages? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to permanently turn off the translate prompt in Google Chrome. Step 1. Open Chrome's Settings Launch. Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your browser settings page. Step 2. Go to Language Settings inside Settings. Scroll down and click on the Languages section. Here you'll find options related to language preferences and translation settings. Don't forget to subscribe before we move on. Get instant access to smart, time-saving tech tutorials. Step 3. Disable Google Translate prompt. Look for the option that says, Use Google Translate when a page is not in a language you read. Toggle this option off to stop Chrome from showing the translate prompt automatically. And that's how you can turn off the translate prompt in Chrome for a smoother browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more quick and practical tech tutorials.